This 2026 KZ Connect SE 281 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout, Awning, LP Detector, Smoke Detector, TV, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, oven, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect SE 281 BHK is 6,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.